Hi everyone, welcome back to Therapy Tip Tuesday. I'm Miss Babita and you can find me in the Lake Success office. Today I'm going to talk about communicating with your baby using baby sign. So in general, sign language is the use of specific hand motions, gestures, and facial expressions to communicate. The term baby sign refers to babies using simplified hand motions and gestures in order to communicate their wants and needs. So one question you might be asking yourself is, why use sign language with babies who have normal hearing? So the answer to that question is most babies are able to understand speech before they're able to coordinate their tongue with their lips and voice to produce it. On the other hand, they are able to voluntarily manipulate their hand movements prior to being able to speak, which means that they are capable of using sign language to communicate. So, for example, most babies between the ages of 9 to 10 months old cry or fuss to let their parents know that they need something. However, at this age, most babies are able to physically use simple sign language to communicate their wants. So it's important to remember that because babies' motor skills are still developing, their baby signs are typically approximations of the target sign. So we are going to review 4 early signs that you can use to communicate with your baby. So the first sign that we're going to talk about is a sign for milk. So milk is one of the best signs to teach your baby early on for many reasons. So this is a one-handed sign that looks like this. So you can think about milking a cow back and forth. This one is simple for babies to do. So you have to model this a number of times to reinforce the association between milk and the gesture. So you can just make the milk sign before feeding your child. Okay, so the next sign that we're going to talk about is the sign for more. So this one is a great sign to teach babies because they're always wanting more of something, whether that's more food, more milk, more toys, etc. So for this sign, you're going to take all 10 fingers and draw them together. You're going to point them at one another and you're going to tap back and forth. So when you're signing this, remember to always repeat the sound more, more. So you can also take their hand and model the sign by using hand over hand. So a lot of the time, it will look like a clap because their fine motor skills are still developing, but that's okay because you know what they're trying to say. The next sign that we're going to talk about is a sign for eat. So you're going to take one hand in the same hand position as more, and you're going to tap it to your mouth like this. So this is also the same sign for food. The last sign that we're going to talk about is a sign for all done. So you're going to take both hands with your palms towards your body and shake them back and forth like this. All done. Okay, so some helpful tips to remember are that you can introduce between 1 and 3 signs at the same time, and modeling the baby signs by saying and signing the words at the same time will help to reinforce the meaning. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you guys next time.